Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G06 Power, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, hold the power button and volume up at the same time, which brings up your boot options, and from here select power off. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold the power button and volume down at the same time. This will take us to bootloader. Now it is labeled as Fastboot mode, so you can try to use this mode for whatever you need Fastboot mode for. But if it's not working for you, there's actually another Fastboot mode, as this could technically also be considered as bootloader. So anyway, using volume buttons, we're gonna scroll down and select a recovery mode like this, confirm it with the power button, and let's give it a moment. So when you see this page right here, you want to hold the power button, and while holding it, you're going to press volume up once. This will redirect us to the recovery mode. Now in here, I know you can barely see other options, so just bear with me. But we're going to use volume buttons to navigate. So you want to just start pressing volume down to scroll down and select enter Fastboot mode. When it's selected, confirm it again with the power button. And this will be a dedicated Fastboot mode. Again, it's kind of hard to see, but it is written right here, Fastboot. It is cut away a little bit by the camera for some reason. And in here, we have, again, some options, which we can navigate to volume buttons. So you have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. Enter Recovery Mode, which will bring us back to the previous page. Bootloader, again, that's the first page we have seen after turning off the device. And power off. Now I'm going to stick with the first option, confirm it with a power button. And like I mentioned before, this will bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now basically back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.